Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini Nagre. Welcome to all in our Maths Data channel. In this video, we start our exercise 1.1. So, question number 1 of this exercise is differentiate with respect to x. So, first sub question of this question is y is equal to in the bracket x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. So, now we wanted to differentiate with respect to x here. So, differentiate with respect to x of this term become a y differentiate is dy by dx and y functions differentiate is d upon dx of the function. So here this is our x function. Okay, so we want to differentiate here with respect to x, then it's like f of x raised to n. So its differentiate become n power is multiplication into the f of x and power become a n minus 1 and into the f of x. But not only f of x, differentiate of the f of x. So we wanted to use this formula here. So let's see how to use. Here our n is 5. Okay, so take the 5 in multiplication. So 5 and then f of x means our bracket power become n minus 1. So 5 minus 1 become a 4 and d by dx of the our f of x means our bracket. So now in the next step we want to differentiate these functions. So let's see, first of all 5 and this bracket is same as it is and the differentiate of the x cube. Here we use the x raised to n formula. What is the x raised to n formula? X raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So here our n is a 3. Yes, this is. So multiply with the 3 to x and the power of x become 3 minus 1. Then minus 2 is a constant term as it is and differentiate of a x is a 1. So that wise here differentiate is 1. Now differentiate of 1 is a constant term. So differentiate of this is become a 0. Fine. So in next step we solve this whole bracket. So let's see 5 as it is. This bracket is as it is. Now here 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 become a 2. That wise here 3x square minus 2 ones are 2. So here minus 2 and 0 is cancelled out. So this is about the differentiate function of the y. Let's see the next question. So second one is y is equal to in the bracket 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 into x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5. The bracket power is 5 by 2. So differentiate with respect to x here. Y differentiate become a dy by dx and the functions means whatever y is there its differentiate is d by dx. So again we use here the same formula f of x raised to n. So here n is 5 by 2. This is our n. So 5 by 2 is come in a multiplication. So it's a 5 by 2 into the bracket power 5 by 2 minus 1 d by dx means again differentiate of this bracket. So in next step 5 by 2 is as it is. This bracket is also as it is, and now differentiate to this bracket. Now differentiate of 2 x raised to 3 by 2 become 2 is a constant term, so as it is. And here the power of x is a 3 by 2. So that wise here 3 by 2 comes in a multiplication. Okay. And in the power of the x it become a 3 by 2 minus 1. Then this minus sign as it is, and 3 is a constant term as it is, into this power. Power is 4 upon 3. So here multiply with the 4 upon 3 into the x raised to 4 by 3 minus 1. And 5 is a constant term, so it become a 0. Now solve this bracket. So do the multiplication first of all. 2 and 2 are cancelled. Here 3 and 3 are the cancelled. Okay. And 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 become 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 upon 2. It's become a half. Yes. And here 4 by 3 minus 1. So 4 minus 3 ones are 3 upon 3. So it become a 1 upon 3. Okay. Now this is the 5 by 2 minus 1. So 5 minus 2 ones are 2 upon 2. So 5 minus 2 become a 3 upon 2. Okay. So these three are our powers. Now in next step, 5 by 2 is as it is. This bracket is as it is, and power of bracket become a 3 upon 2. Okay, so that wise here 3 upon 2. 2 is cancelled, so only 3 each remains. And the x power become the half. So that wise here half is coming. Minus, again here 3 are cancelled, so only 4 each remains. Into the x power become 1 upon 3. So that wise here 1 upon 3. So this is our differential function of the y. Next question. Question number 3. Y is equal to under the root x square minus 4x minus 7. Now differentiate with respect to x of this function. So dy by dx is equal to d upon dx of the given function. Now here the root x is there. So root x or root of f of x. So if root of f of x is there, then its differentiate become root differentiate is 1 upon 2 root. Yes. So here it become a 1 upon 2 root f of x into the f dash x, means differentiate with respect to x of the f of x. So in next step we use this formula. So we got 1 upon 2 root of our f of x, means x square plus 4x minus 7, and into the differentiate with respect to x of this bracket x square plus 4x minus 7. Now in next step, this 1 upon 2 root of f of x is as it is, and we differentiate to this bracket with respect to x. So let's see. x square differentiate become x raised to n formula यहाँ पे use करना है. So n is your 2. So x square differentiate become 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 means 1. So power 1 हम लोग नहीं लिखते हैं. So that was here 2x plus 4. X differentiate is a 1. That was here 1 is coming, and 7's differentiate is 0. So that was here 0 is coming. Now in next step we solve this bracket. So 1 upon 2 root of f of x is as it is. Here 2x plus 4 ones are 4. So this is our, here we taken the 2 common now from the this bracket. So 2x plus 4, इसमें से हम लोगों ने 2 को कॉमन निकाला. So in the bracket what's remaining terms are there? Remaining terms are x plus 2. So now here 2 and 2 are cancel out. These 2 and these 2 are cancel out. So this is our differential function is remain x plus 2, means this 1 into this bracket, 1 into this bracket is the bracket upon root of x square plus 4x minus 7. So this is our differential function of the y. Now next question. Question number 4 is root of x square plus root of x square plus 1. So differentiate with respect to x of this function become a dy by dx of the root of x square plus root of x square plus 1. So now here two square roots are there. We using the similar formula which is used in the third question. So root of f of x formula. So here here our f of x is x square plus under root x square plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula for the first root. Okay, so 1 upon 2 root of this function into differentiate with respect to x of in the first under root, what terms are there? X square plus root of x square plus 1. Okay, so this is our f of x, x square plus root of x square plus 1. This is our f of x function. So here we again differentiate with respect to x of our f of x function. Now in next step, the 1 upon 2 root of x square plus root of x square plus 1 is as it is, and the differentiate of x square become 2x, and plus sign as it is, differentiate of x root of x square plus 1 become 1 upon 2 root x square plus 1 into the differentiate with respect to x of x square plus 1, because this x square plus 1 is our f of x here. Okay, because only x टर्म नहीं है, x टर्म के साथ कुछ अल्जेब्रिक फॉर्म है, इसलिए वो पूरा क्या हुआ, f of x टर्म हुआ. इसलिए यहाँ पे रूट का डिफरेंशिएट करने के बाद भी हमें बाय चेन रूल अप्लाई करना पड़ रहा है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे अंडर द रूट ओनली एक्स टर्म नहीं है. अगर यहाँ पे ओनली एक्स टर्म होता तो हम लोग इस स्टेप पे स्टॉप हो जाते, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है, मीन्स दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. That wise here we again differentiate with respect to x of x square plus 1. So in next step, the 1 upon 2 root of x square plus root of x square plus 1 is as it is. Okay, and 2x in the bracket 2x is as it is. This 1 upon 2 root of x square plus 1 is as it is, and differentiate of this bracket become x square differentiate is 2x and 1 differentiate is 0. That was here 2x plus 0 is coming. Now solve this bracket first of all. So 1 upon 2 root of x square plus root of x square plus 1 is as it is, 2x plus these 2x ones are 2x upon 2 root of x square plus 1 is that. Now solve this bracket, then we got here 2 are the cancel outs. Yes, these 2. Here 2 is in numerator and denominator also, so that wise it's cancel out. Okay. Now in next step, only x upon x square plus 1 root of x square plus 1 is remains. So in next step, we multiply the here in the bracket means 2x into the root of x square plus 1. Do the cross multiplication here. Okay. Then add up. So what's remaining? 2x into root of x square plus 1. Okay. Plus this x term is there. Okay. So plus x. It's remain fine. And upon x square plus 1. Now take a x common here. This is x square plus 1. Take a x common from the numerator. So here x and this x. Take a common. Take a outside the bracket here x. Okay. This x is a common x. So in the bracket what's remaining? Only 2 under the root x square plus 1 plus 1. So that wise here in the bracket 2 root of x square plus 1 plus 1 is remain. And in the denominator this term is as it is 2 into the under root x square plus under root x square plus 1. Okay, this one. And here after the multiplication what denominator we got? Root of x square plus 1. So this is in here. Okay. So this is our differentiate function of the y.